Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. My name is Umesh Shankar. In this video I am going to talk about chemical kinetics class 9th is the third order reaction and nth order reaction. Now in this video I am going to talk about chemical kinetics class 9th is the third order reaction. Start this section and see this prod. Friends, the concept of this chemical kinetics class 9th is the third order kinetics. Third order kinetics. What is the third order kinetics, friends? So now we have to consider a reaction. The general reaction is the A gives products. These type of reactions, rate is equal to K into concentration of A power 3. This is called as third order reaction. Now the N value is 3. N value is 3. That is called as third order reaction. Now in this third order reaction, what is the graph representation of the rate versus concentration of A? Now I am considered to this graph. In x-axis I am represented to the concentration of reactants A, and y-axis I am represented to the rate. Okay friends, now rate versus concentration of A. Now the graph is like this. This is the graph. Because of this graph is this is the y is equal to x square graph is like this, and this is the rate R is equal to K into concentration of A power 3. This type of third order reaction, the graph is like this, rate versus concentration of A. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is the graph representation of the third order kinetics, rate versus concentration of A power 3. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arise. Now what is the integration rate law of third order reaction? This is clear. This is arise. Friends, what is the integration rate law of third order reaction? Integrated rate law of third order reaction. Now we have to assume a reaction. The reaction is A gives product. This type of reaction. What happens friends? Rate is equal to K into concentration of A power 3, and in rate of reaction of this reaction is the minus 1 by 1. This is the 1 is present in there, therefore minus 1 by 1, because of this is the stoichiometric coefficient, and this negative charge is this is the reactance, and change in concentration of dA by change in time. This is these two are rate. Now what happened friends? These two are equal. Now K into concentration of A power 3 is equal to minus dA by dt. In A terms is one side. What happened friends? dA by A cube is equal to minus K into dt. This expression is present in there. Finally, now what happened friends? Integration of this expression dA by A cube is equal to minus K into concentration of dt. Let this A gives product. What happened friends? T is equal to 0 time. This A concentration is A naught. T is equal to T time. This A concentration is A. Let these are the assumptions of this T is equal to 0 time. T is equal to 0 time, concentration of A is equal to A naught, and T is equal to T time, concentration of A is equal to A. Okay friends, now this is the T is equal to 0 time, concentration of A is equal to A naught. Okay friends, T is equal to T time, concentration of A is equal to A. Okay friends, this expression is present in there. In integration of 1 by x cube dx is equal to what happened friends? This is the integration of x power of minus 3 dx. Now integration of x power of minus 3 dx is the x power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Finally this expression is the x power of minus 2 by minus 2, and this is the 1 by minus 2x square. This is the integration of the 1 by x cube dx is the 1 by minus 2x. This is the simple funda of mathematics in integrations. Integration of 1 by x cube dx is the 1 by minus 2x square, as well as this is the 1 by x cube is the what happened friends? 1 by minus 2 into a square, 2 into a square, the limits is, this is lower limit and upper limit, and minus k into integration of dt is the t, and 0 and t, this is the lower and upper limit. Now these limits are substituted in this equation. What happened, friends? Minus, this minus and minus is cancelled. 1 by 2a, this is a square is the, this is lower limit is a square, minus 1 by 2 into this is upper limit a naught square is equal to the kt. Finally t is equal to what happens, friends? In this expression 1 by t is common. Now 1 by a square minus 1 by a naught square is equal to kt. Okay, friends, this is clear, friends. This is arise in this. This is arise. Now finally what happened, friends? 1 by a square minus 1 by a naught square is equal to, this 2 is in this side, what happened, friends? 2kt. Now t is equal to 1 by 2k into 1 by a square minus 1 by a naught square. This is the final expression of the integration rate law of third order reaction. Integration of rate law of third order reaction is the 1 by a square minus 1 by a naught square is equal to 2 into kt. This is the t is equal to 1 by 2k and 1 by a square minus 1 by a naught square. This a is called as after time. A concentration is a and a naught is the initial concentration at t is equal to 0 time. This is clear, friends, and this is arise. Friends, finally I am going to talk about what is the graph representation of the third order integrated rate law. Now graph representation of the third order rate law. Now this is the 1 by a square is equal to 2kt plus 1 by a naught square. Okay, friends, this expression is the compared to the y is equal to mx plus c. Now in y axis is the 1 by a square, in x axis is the time, and y intercept is the 1 by a naught square. Now the graph representation is like this. Friends, this is very important. I am represented to the x axis is the time t, and y axis I am represented to the 1 by concentration square, that is called as 1 by a square. Okay, friends, now what is the graph representation, friends? Slope of this integrated rate law of third order reaction is the 2k. It is a positive slope, and this is the 1 by a naught square is the y intercept value is positive. Now I am represented to the y intercept value is like this. This is the 1 by a naught square, and this is the positive slope. Positive slope is the, this straight line is present in there. Now this is the theta, and slope is equal to tan theta is equal to 2k. This is the 1 by concentration square versus time is the slope is equal to 2k. This is a positive slope. This is the graph representation of the third order kinetics. Okay, friends, this is clear, friends. This is arise. Finally, I am going to talk about what is the half-life of the third order reaction. Friends, next I am going to talk about what is the half-life of third order reaction. Half-life of third order reaction. Friends, half-life of third order reaction, it means half-life of reaction is the reaction is complete in 50%. It means initial concentration is reduced to the half of the initial concentration, that is called as half-life of reaction. Friends, half-life of reaction at t is equal to t half and a is equal to a naught by 2, and this expression t is equal to 1 by 2k into 1 by a square minus 1 by a naught square. Okay, friends, now t is equal to t half and 1 by 2k into 1 by this a is the a naught by 2 whole square minus this is the 1 by a naught square. Okay, friends, now t half is equal to 1 by 2k into this is the 1 by a naught by 2 whole square is the, this is the numerator, this is denominator and numerator 4 minus 1 is the 3 and this is 3 and common to the a naught, what happen friends, this is a naught power, this is a naught power 2 and this is a naught, what is friends, a naught power 2 is common. This is the t of is equal to friends, t of is equal to 3 by 2 into k a naught power square. This is the half-life of third order reaction. Half-life of third order reaction is the 3 by 2 k into a naught power 2. This is the half-life of the third order reaction. This is a naught is called as initial concentration of reactants. This is clear friends. This is arise. And next I am going to talk about nth order kinetics. Nth order kinetics. This is very important friends. Nth order kinetics. Nth order kinetics, nth order kinetics or nth order reaction. Friends, in second order, what happened friends? Second order T is equal to 1 by K into 1 by A minus 1 by A naught. And in third order, T is equal to what happened friends? In third order, T is equal to 1 by 2K into 1 by A square minus 1 by A naught square. Okay friends, this is the expression of the T in third order. This is the expression in T in order. Now these two expression, what happened in nth order integration rate law. Friends, nth order T is equal to 1 by n minus 1 into K, 1 by n minus 1 into K into 1 by A power of n minus 1 minus 1 by A naught power of n minus 1. This is the integration rate of nth order reaction friends. Nth order reaction T is equal to 1 by n minus 1 into K into 1 upon A power of n minus 1 minus 1 upon A naught power of n minus 1. It means this nth order of this reaction is the n is greater than or equal to this type of reactions. This is the T equal to 1 by n minus 1 into K into 1 upon A power of n minus 1 minus 1 upon A naught power of n minus 1. Now this is the correct or wrong in check these two friends. In second order n is equal to 2. Now n value is 2 in substitute in this equation. What happens friends? 2 minus 1 is the 1. This is the 1 by K. Okay friends, 1 by K. And this is the 2. 2 minus 1 is the 1 and A power of 1 is the A. Now this is the 1 by A. And this is the A naught power of 2 minus 1 is the A naught power 1. This is A naught 1. This is correct. This is correct. And T is equal to, and third order n is equal to 3. What happened friends? N value is substituted in this equation. A power of 3 minus 1 is the A square. And this is the 3 minus 1K into 2K. Okay friends, this is 2K and A square and A naught square. This is the nth order of the integration rate law of T is equal to 1 by n minus into K into 1 by A power of n minus 1 minus 1 by A power of n minus 1. This is the very important friends. This is the nth order. Okay friends, this is clear friends. This is arise. And what is the half-life of the nth order kinetics? Half-life of the nth order kinetics. Now graph, first of all I am going to talk about graph representation of this nth order. Graph representation like this. This is the graph representative the time T versus 1 by concentration power n minus 1. It means nth order is the 1 by A power of n minus 1 is equal to the n minus 1 into Kt plus 1 by A naught power n minus 1. This is the integration rate law of the nth order reaction. This expression is like this. What happens friends? I am represented to the y-axis is the 1 by concentration power n minus 1. It means 1 by A power of n minus 1. In y-axis I am represented to the T. Now the y-intercept value is the 1 by a naught power of n minus 1. The slope is the positive slope. This is like this is positive slope, and theta is equal to slope, and this is the y-intercept straight line is like this, and slope is equal to tan theta is equal to what happens, friends? N minus 1 into k. This is the graph representation of the nth order kinetics. Okay, friends, the graph representation is the 1 by concentration power n minus 1. It means 1 by a power of n minus 1. This is the nth order kinetics. T is equal to like this. This is the graph representation. Now finally I am going to talk about what is the nth order kinetics of life. In second order of life, T of is equal to 1 by k into a naught. This is the second order of life. But in third order of life, T of is equal to 3 by 2 into k a naught power square. This is the third order and this is the second order, and these two. And what is the nth order kinetics of life? Nth order kinetics of life, T of is equal to 2 power of n minus 1 minus 1 by, this is the n minus 1 into k into a naught power of n minus 1. This is the nth order of life is equal to 2 power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 into k into a naught power of n minus 1. This expression is the n not equal to n. This expression is the n not equal. Finally, T of is equal to, this expression is n not equal to 1. It means 0 and first order. This is cannot valid. Now this is the valid for the any order, but not first and second order. But T of is equal to, T of is directly proportional to the a naught power of 1 minus n. This expression is the any order even 0 and first order. This is the any order. T of is directly proportional to the a naught power of 1 minus n. This is n is called as order of reaction. T of is directly proportional to the a naught power of 1 minus n. This is very important expression, friends. In half life of any order, T of is directly proportional to the a naught power of 1 minus n. But this is the T of is equal to 2 power of n minus 1 upon n minus 1 into k into a naught power of n minus 1. This expression is only valid for the n not equal to 1 and 0 and any order. But this is the expression is the valid for the any order even 0 and first order. This is the concept of the chemical kinetics class 9th is the nth order kinetics and third order kinetics and graph representation. Okay, friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.